Meet John, a homeowner in Arlington who needed a new garage door track installed. John did his research and stumbled upon Adams Garage Doors LLC. He was impressed by their reputation for high-quality services at affordable prices. John decided to give them a call to see if they could help. The team at Adams Garage Doors LLC promptly answered his call and scheduled a consultation. During the consultation, John was impressed by the team's expertise and professionalism. They provided him with a quote that fit within his budget and scheduled the installation. On installation day, the team arrived on time and got straight to work. John was amazed by how efficiently and quickly they completed the installation. Thanks to Adams Garage Doors LLC, John now has a perfectly functioning garage door track. Like John, are you searching for a professional garage door installation service provider in Arlington? Look no further than Adams Garage Doors LLC. For more details, kindly visit adamsgaragedoors.llc.com.